Ever wondered how TikTok creators are turning their videos into cash? I mean, who wouldn't want to make money while having fun creating content, right? In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how the TikTok Creator Fund works. You'll learn how to join, how much money you can make, and some tips to boost your earnings. So stay with me, and by the end of this video, you have everything you need to start earning. Now, this video is actually episode 1 of the Mastering Money Making on TikTok series. So, if you want to view other episodes, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description down below. So, let's kick things off with the basics. The TikTok Creator Fund is TikTok's way of rewarding creators for making engaging content. They basically pay you based on how well your videos perform, how many views you get, how many likes, and how much engagement your videos are driving. But here's the thing, it's not about your follower count. You could have 100,000 followers and make less than someone with 50,000 followers if their videos are getting more engagement. What matters most is how much people are interacting with your content, so views, comments, shares, and all of that adds up to how much you get paid. Now, of course, not everyone can jump into the creator fund immediately. There are some requirements that you need to meet. You have to be at least 18 years old, and you also have to live in a country where the creator fund is available. For example, in the US, in the UK, or in Germany, and it's also available in a few other countries. And you also need to have at least 10,000 followers. You also need to have gotten at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days, which shows TikTok you're consistently getting engagement. If you meet these requirements, applying is super easy. Just head over to the settings and privacy section in the TikTok app, find the creator tools, and you'll see an option to join the creator fund. Now, here's the part you're curious about. How much can you actually make? TikTok doesn't pay you a flat rate. Instead, you get paid based on your views and your engagement. On average, creators report earning between 2 cents to 4 cents per thousand views. So if you have a video that gets, let's say, 1 million views, you could expect to earn anywhere from $20 to $40. I know it doesn't sound like a huge amount for 1 million views, right? But think about it. If you're regularly getting views and posting multiple videos, then this can actually add up fast. For example, some creators with 500,000 followers are making $200 or more per viral video, depending on how long it stays popular. Okay, so how can you boost your earnings once you're in the fund? Here are a few tips to get the most out of your TikTok Creator Fund earnings. First, focus on creating content in specific niches that do well on TikTok, like challenges, tutorials, or relatable skits. Second is to be consistent. This is the most important tip I can give you. The more videos you put out, the more chances you have for one of them to go viral. Think of each video as another shot at earning or another asset that's raking you passive income. Third, engagement is key. Ask your followers questions, get them to comment, share, interact with your content. The more engagement your video gets, the higher the payout. And finally, use trending sounds and hashtags. TikTok algorithms love pushing content that using the latest trends. So stay on top of what's trending to get more exposure. Now, before you rush into the creator fund, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Some creators have noticed that after joining the fund, their views actually dropped. TikTok's algorithm is a bit of a mystery, so it's possible that joining the fund may limit your reach. That said, it's important to balance quality and quantity. Don't just push out content to chase views. Make sure what you're posting is engaging and actually worth watching. You want to keep your audience coming back, not just chasing these viral moments. Your content still needs to be high quality. So there you have it. The TikTok Creator Fund is a great way to start getting paid for your videos if you meet the requirements. And if you're already making content that's getting views, why not turn those views into cash, right? Now, in the next episode, I'll show you even better ways to make money with TikTok. We're diving into a super exciting topic in the next episode, and that will be brand deals. Even if you have a smaller following, you can still land paid sponsorships from companies. I'll show you how to approach brands and start earning through partnerships. If you found this episode helpful, give it a like, drop a comment with any questions you have, and share it with anyone you might think benefits it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.